This is the routine 26 video. It starts out with a tick action on T 1600, which means the value of T is going to go from 0 to 1599. Then it sets S also equal to that T. Then it mods T by 40. Well, that means this T is going to go from 0 then to 39. 0 to 39. Well, the very next instruction says branch if it's not equal to a 1 to BP. So only one time in 40 ticks is it going to come and go down through these instructions. Most of the time it's just going to go to BP, which is down here. And what happens down here is it displays these two columns. Well, if it happens to be that T is equal to a 1, it comes down here and it divides S by 40. Now S is going to go from 0 to 39, but it's only going to change every 40 times. S is going to be used for the seed number that selects the random number table that it's going to use. So each time it comes down here, it's going to use a different random number table. Well, it's going to set the frequency to 10. This time, the frequency table isn't really a frequency table because the action we're going to use is the peck action, which says everything is equally likely. So in the case of equally likely, we just have to know how many possible outcomes are there, and it's 10, and they're all equally likely. Well, it fills 10 values at found count with 0, so it can start a counter for which ones it finds. Then it resets the probability tables of random numbers, so they will start at the beginning again when it has a reset. The next, it does a loop for I equals 1 to 1000, and each time it goes around the loop, it uses the peck action to select another one of the possible 10 outcomes given the seed we gave it S and the frequency count of 10. So it's going to go around here 1,000 times, and each time it's going to add to the found count for that particular outcome a 1. Alright, then it goes through there. The next thing it does is it just builds the column of values for the outcomes. For I equals 0 to 9, 10 values, it's going to make the value at value I offset 1 plus I. And here they are, this column 1 to 10. Then it comes down here and it sets up the X and Y for the columns, the font it's going to use, the color it's going to use, and both columns are going to use L, M, and N. M for the number of columns, N for the number of rows, and here it uses the box numeric instruction to display them. So over here the values 1 to 10, and over here is the actual outcomes using the particular set of random numbers. Well, they're all supposed to be 100. But you notice they're not. Well, why not? Because they're randomly picked. The total of them is 1,000 because it went around and made 1,000 picks. Alright, this is routine 26 video.